So my second paper is about building career skills in computer science students through design thinking hackathons. Uh, so well, career development is an important aspect of every young person's life as it helps them identify their skills, interests, and goals and find the right career path for themselves. Career skills are a broad range of competencies and abilities that are necessary for success in the workspace. Developing them through education, training, and experience can help students identify them and achieve their career goals. And design thinking is a powerful approach for this purpose, with its components of problem solving, innovation and creativity, collaboration and teamwork, and empathy. Design thinking can help students develop the skills they need to succeed in a wide range of professional fields. The specificity of the hackathon as a form of organization further contributes to building these core competencies. Which are directly related to students' career development. And uh, our paper explores those possibilities of forming career skills in students through design thinking hackathons. Um, Career development is an important aspect, as mentioned before, and the leading career skills are identified as teamwork and collaboration skills, um, problem solving, effective communication, creative thinking, and creativity, resilience, emotion regulation, self awareness, work organization, and time management skills, initiative and presentation and technical skills, and more. Uh, and the development of career skills through education, training, and experience helps the students to achieve the professional goals that they have set for themselves. Um, Now, the design thinking method can be successfully applied for this purpose as its main elements are problem solving, innovation and creativity, collaboration and teamwork, and empathy. And design thinking method was developed in the late 20th century at Stanford University and is defined as the leading methodology for creative problem solving and uh, innovation. And it integrates creativity and imagination with analytical thinking and combinativity. It is based on convergent, divergent, and lateral thinking and leads to ideas, concepts, solutions, products, articles, etc. that are unique and innovative. Tim Brown, CEO and president of IDEO, defines design thinking as an innovative approach that draws on the designer's toolkit to integrate the needs of people, the capabilities of technologies, and the requirements for business success. And it achieves creative problem solving that is rooted in people's curiosity and creative confidence in their ability to change and improve the environment around them. Design thinking does not focus on the problem but on finding creative solutions, and the selection of which is determined by the people for whom the solution is intended. Empathy and putting the person with their experiences at the center are hallmarks of design thinking. Uh, Also, it's defined as a problem-solving philosophy and as an innovative approach where the end user is in the focus. Um, in the context of developing students' career skills, design thinking appears to be a compatible and valuable approach that can be successfully applied to achieve this goal. Um, Design thinking is a process oriented approach to problem solving that emphasizes creativity and innovation as key elements in the search for solutions and emphasizes continuous improvement and refinement of those solutions. This is user centered thinking requiring collaboration and teamwork. Therefore, using design thinking techniques, students learn to approach problems systematically, work in teams, communicate effectively, share ideas, and to use their strengths to achieve common goal. They understand the perspective of the end users and build empathy uh, as empathy as a key focuses in the problem solving. By considering the needs of end users, students develop solutions that are more effective and relevant to real world problems. And by thinking outside the box, they generate out of the box ideas, develop creative solutions, and innovative products. And applying an iterative approach enables them to test and to refine their ideas and concepts based on the feedback and data, leading to more effective and efficient solutions. Um, a suitable form of organization possessing the characteristics of a competition compatible with and stimulating the conduct of design thinking is a hackathon. Hackathon traditionally comes from the software sector, but today it is a term that is associated with problem solving in general, not limited to software programming. And hackathons are events aimed at finding creative solutions to problems that are not possible in everyday office life. The hallmarks of hackathon is that the solution is found in a short period of time, for example, 24 or 48 hours. Um, and at the end of the hackathon, there is usually a completed prototype. The hackathon starts with one or more problems and usually follows a specific theme and topic. There is also an option where participants are given the freedom to choose the problem they want to solve, and first suggestions and ideas can be shared before participants starts working in groups on the problems. Uh, Relative to an educational setting, hackathon and design thinking have multiple intersections that directly correspond to building career skills in learners. Design thinking hackathons require students to solve complex problems in a short period of time by using innovative approaches, analyzing information, developing creative ideas, and testing and refining their solutions in real time based on the feedback and the data. The problems posed are often related to real world scenarios, and the solution finding is user centric. Working on real world problems gives students real insight into how to work in a professional environment, and asking and problems that require design thinking and searching for solutions in a hackathon setting puts students in situation analogies to real world situations, and the time pressure, while stressful, forms in them the skills to concentrate as much as possible and sort out the essential form the pardon me. The time pressure, while stressful, forms in them the skills to concentrate as much as possible and sort out the essential from the unimportant details. Design thinking hackathons require students to think outside the box, generate innovative ideas, and explore alternative solutions. As a result, they develop their creativity, which is a key competences and a prerequisite for professional advancement. Hackathon and design thinking are based on teamwork, which involves effective communication, sharing ideas, understanding others' perspective, and using their personal abilities and knowledge to achieve a common goal. In this way, students form collaborative and teamwork skills that are essential for fields in which effective teamwork is critical to succeed. Design thinking hackathons require students to present their ideas to a panel of judges and audiences, thereby developing the communication and presentation skills necessary for their future success in multiple professional fields. Um, the possibility of developing students' career skills through design thinking is explored in two-day hackathon with first, second, and third year students studying computer science courses at Plovdiv University in Bulgaria. The hackathon was held at the end of the second day, and there were quite some areas of applications. The students were divided into teams of 4 members. The teams were formed by testing with Belvin's questionnaire, and at the commencement of the hackathon, the students were briefed about the regulations and conditions of the hackathon and were provided with supporting points, keywords, and algorithm to follow in the format as per the following guidelines. So the topic was to develop conceptually a high-tech cyber-physical product, and the main methods and approaches in the product development were design thinking, heuristic methods, Edward de Bono's thinking hats method, brain attack, and there are quite some areas in which their product can be implemented. Um, for example, there were uh, there was this team that developed like um, robot that was used in home environment for uh, elderly care and was based on teleoperation, which was quite interesting. Also, there were a few concepts that were aimed at poverty and pollution. Uh, Even a few students afterwards started a startup after the hackathon. Uh, so, okay. Uh, Requirements and reference points. General requirements was the gravity of the problem, uh, communication field of application problems and challenges, um, steps to generate the innovative ideas, analysis of current solutions, comparative analysis, and competition in deep tech areas, high tech areas, etc. Uh, the product, its concept, and future steps for its upgrade, the target audience, also the product requirements was the purpose of the product innovation, the working principle of the product, the ways of handling the product was a must when presenting the concept, and the students had to explain how the user would interact with the product, also possible materials, artistic and aesthetic shaping that was made in a 3D CAD environment. They used Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. Um, Also, they had to state the social impact of the product, the legal protection of the product, norms and standards, and certificates that are related to the product, and the presentation requirements were model in a 3D environment of the physical device, startup business model that was based on the business canvas, and they had to present the interface concept through the Figma online platform they used to develop the interface, the mockups, the description of the algorithms, also basics emulations. They used Tinkercad since they didn't have that much time to develop the whole product.
Petko? Excuse me,
Okay.
Petko. Would you please share your concluding thoughts? We are over time.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Well, based on the conducted hackathon that involved the implementation of generative design as a method for modeling the physical part of cyber physical systems, and the usage of hackathons for developing those skills in students. Well, the results suggest that design thinking hackathons contribute to students' formation of career skills and acquisition of experiences that will be useful to them in a wide range of personal and professional contexts. And in the process of conducting the design thinking hackathon, students generate multiple ideas and explore a wide range of possibilities, think systematically, evaluate and analyze proposed solutions to determine which ones are most feasible and effective, design products oriented to the needs and preferences of potential users, and thus build empathy. Uh, Also, reflect on their progress and their own way of thinking, also avoid conflict and manage their emotions, maintain commitment and motivation despite difficulties and setbacks. And this gives us reason for us to say that design thinking hackathons appear to be an effective way to develop valuable career skills and experiences in students that will contribute to their future professional development. Here's the survey that was carried out before and after the hackathon. Those are the results obtained, and yeah, thanks.